Join your hands, close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Let's start. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer, right? Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say to God every day, every morning when we wake up. We need to say to God for a new lovely morning. Thank you God for the creatures we see surround us. Thank you God for the food we eat. Right? Yes, everybody now stand up on the floor. It's exercise time. Yes, everybody needs to stand up on the floor. Very good. Yes, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make a fist with your hands. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to roll our fist. We need to move our fist, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put your hands on your shoulders. Then yes. Now anti-clockwise in the opposite direction. Very good. Very good. Put your one leg over the another. Put your one foot over the another leg. Try to balance yourself and then do a namaste above your head. Please take the support of the wall. Yes, we need to do namaste above our head. Right? Relax and do it once again. Right? We need to put our one foot over the another leg, then do a namaste above your head. Right? Very good. Now relax. Relax. Put your hands on your waist. Put your hands on your waist and roll it round and round. Yes. Like this, we have to do it anti-clockwise in the opposite direction. Very good. Yes. Now take your hands again above your head. Bend down and touch the toes. Once again, take your hands above your head. Bend down and touch your toes. Yes, very good. Put your hands again on your waist. Yes, now you need to take your right hand to the left side, left hand to the right side. Count with me till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, Very good. Now like this, we need to touch our right knee with the right hand and left hand upward. Yes. Now left knee with the left hand and right hand upward. Yes, count this with 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Clapping for everybody. Very good. Clap for yourself. Now please sit down at your place. Please sit down. Yes, everybody. Please sit down at your place. Very good. Now we need to do breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Now, while relaxing, we need to do reverse counting again. Count with me from 20. We need to do back counting. 20, 19, 18. I can see the lip sync of every child. मेरे को सब बेबीज की लिप सिंक दिख रही है. सब बेबीज ने रिपीट करना, ओके? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now clap for yourself. Sub babies ne repeat kiya. Very good. Very good, all of you. Okay, now I will ask question from all of you. Opposites हमने किए, right? We have done a topic opposites, up and down, front, behind, ice, hot, right? Opposites आते हैं मेरे सब बेबीज को. एक चीज ठंडी है तो दूसरी चीज क्या है? हॉट है. अप है तो ऑपोजिट डाउन है, राइट? So I am asking the questions from every one of you, right? Yes, look at the picture, all of you. Now I will start with Aram Kumar. Aram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This tree is tall. Tall का opposite क्या होता है?
टॉल का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है?
Up.
नहीं, टॉल बड़ा का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है?
Tall मतलब लंबा, बड़ा, और
बड़ा।
short मतलब
छोटा.
इसका opposite क्या होना चाहिए? Tall का opposite short. Short means छोटा, right? So the opposite of tall will be short. Tall, short. Right, Aram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now the next one is for Adrika Tripathi. Adrika,
Yes.
this cat is very near. बहुत पास में है ये cat. तो near का opposite क्या होना चाहिए?
पास का अपोजिट, पास का उल्टा.
इनमें से चेक करो. फार हो सकता है, सावर हो सकता है, शॉर्ट हो सकता है. कौन सा हो सकता है नियर का ऑपोजिट? दिस कैट इज वेरी नियर. कैट के बिल्कुल पास. आपको वो कैसे दिखेगी? बिग बिग दिखेगी ना. और इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो सकता है कि कैट हमसे बहुत दूर है और हमें बहुत छोटी दिख रही है? फार. नियर. फार, नियर मतलब पास में, फार मतलब दूर, राइट? नियर, फार, right?
Repeat.
Very good. Okay, the next one is sweet. Now Anika Tiwari will tell me. Anika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anika. The lollipop, the candy is very sweet. तो sweet का opposite क्या हो सकता है? क्या वो? एक चीज स्वीट है तो दूसरी चीज क्या है? खट्टी है. स्वीट, सावर. ऑपोजिट्स मतलब उल्टा. ऑपोजिट्स मतलब उसका उल्टा. एक चीज खट्टी है तो दूसरी चीज क्या होगी? मीठी होगी. एक चीज पास है तो दूसरी चीज क्या होगी? दूर होगी. अप, डाउन, नियर, फार, राइट. आई एम शेयरिंग यू द नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट. नाउ Drishna will tell me. Drishna? Yes, please tell me. The first picture is जिसमें सन निकला हुआ है, डे है, तो डे का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा?
Night.
Very good, night, right? So we will match it with night. अब ये जो सेकंड है पिक्चर, इसमें बेबी कैसे? फ्रंट फेस करके, हमें फेस करके. तो फ्रंट का ऑपोजिट क्या होना चाहिए? धैर्य.
Back.
What will be the opposite of front?
Back.
Back. Very good. Now the third one is an empty glass. This is an empty glass. So Altamash, empty का opposite क्या होगा? एक ग्लास empty है तो दूसरा क्या होना चाहिए? Full. Right? Very good. Okay, now the third one I'm sharing. Yes. Now the first one, look at the first picture. He is a boy. So boy का opposite क्या होगा? Now Lakshita will tell me. Lakshita, what will be the opposite of boy?
Ma'am, girl.
Very good. Girl. Now the name is big. All is very big. Riyansh will tell me. Riyansh, what will be the opposite of big?
सॉरी मैम, रियांश क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहा है. निष्ठा मैम से मेरी बात हो गई थी. एक्चुअली
Okay,
इसकी आईसी वीक हो गई है, डॉक्टर अवॉइड करने के लिए बोला है.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके ओके. शिवाय शर्मा. शिवाय, what will be the opposite of big?
हाँ बेटा.
एक बॉल अगर बिग है तो दूसरी बॉल क्या होगी? ओके, नाउ शिवाय ढींगरा will tell me. शिवाय ढींगरा. ओके, याग्वी.
बताओ.
Yes, what will be the opposite of big?
स्मॉल.
Small. Yes, very good. So the last one is the green light says go, right? So go का opposite क्या होगा? Who will tell me? Yagavi will tell me.
Stop.
Yagavi, what will be the opposite of go?
Yes.
What will be the opposite of go? एक लाइट पे हम जा सकते हैं, हमें अलाउड है आगे जाना, तो दूसरी लाइट पे हमें क्या करेंगे? स्टॉप करेंगे ना. गो, स्टॉप. ऑपोजिट ऑफ गो विल बी
हाँ दिख रही है.
stop. The red light says stop. Green light says go. Right? Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay, now take out your notebooks. Everybody, please take out your notebooks.
Yes, good morning to all my babies. Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning to all. Take out your English notebook. Yes, take out your English notebook.
Now they done it.
Yes, Shruti ma'am, board is visible now?
देखो मैडम क्या सिखाती है इसमें।
देख
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Lakshmi, please mute
Sequence of
your.
alphabets W, X, Y, and Z. Right? W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. First, in your English notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Today is 24th Feb. Right? And cursive writing always start from third line.
Ma'am, the board properly visible. A bit.
Give me a minute. Now board is visible, Shrutiman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, starting from W. And the phonic sound of W is wa. W, wa, watch. Start from third line. Go to the headline. Make it like a U. This is W. Right? Next is X. And the phonic sound of letter X is next is Y. Y. And the phonic sound of letter Y is ya. Third line, go to the headline, make it a U, and come back to the last line and the loop. It will become Y, ya, ya. Y, ya, yellow. Next is Z. And the phonic sound of letter Z is Z, zebra. Third line, go to the headline, make it a curve like a 3 and a loop. W, X, Y, Z. This is our sequence of alphabets. Right? Write carefully from third line. W, X, Y, and Z. Right? W, watch. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yeah. And Z is for zebra. Right? W, X, Y, and Z. Yes, make it English copy page like this. First, you have to write the date on the left side and write sequence of the alphabets W, X, Y, and Z. Right? And cursive writing always start from third line. Write carefully W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good, Aram. Very good, everybody. Anyone who has completed?
My 4 is complete.
Okay, Adrika, very good. Now complete the page. We have to write W, X, Y, and Z. Till then, who will tell me the phonic sound of W? Lakshita will tell me. What? Yes, very good. We have 1 more minute to complete.
करना था. I have done.
Very good, Daria. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. Very good, Shivai Dhingra. You have to complete the series. Yes, Anika, very good. Very good, Anand.
I have completed my page.
Ma'am, I have completed my page.
Very good, Adrika. Very nice.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Good, Yagavi. Only 1 line you have completed. Very good, Altamash. Yes. I think everybody has completed the work. Shall we start with the next? Yes? Give me thumbs up. कैसे पता चलेगा मैम को that you have completed? Very good. Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good, all my babies. Now story time. Shruti, please share the Vyanjan Kha story.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beautiful story, beautiful व्यंजन खास स्टोरी. अब इस स्टोरी में मैम आपको क्या बताएंगी? सी, एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा क्या था, गार्डन. ठीक है, उस गार्डन में कौन था? खरगोश और एक खच्चर था. खरगोश और खच्चर, मतलब उस गार्डन में इतना ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन था और वहां पे खरगोश क्या कर रहा था? खरगोश आराम से बैठ के खाना खा रहा था. ठीक है, वहां बैठ के खाना खा रहा था. फिर वहां पे कौन आया? एक बॉय आया. उस बॉय का नेम क्या था? खुश. खुश आया और खरगोश के लिए क्या लेकर आया? एक खत लेकर आया. राइट. खुश उस ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन में आया और खरगोश के लिए खत लेकर आया. और खत क्या था? और खरगोश क्या खा रहा था वहां पे बैठ के? खाना खा रहा था. और खाना खाते हुए खरगोश को कौन देख रहा था पीछे से? खच्चर देख रहा था उस ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन में. और क्या क्या था? इतना ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन था, वहां पर खरबूजे थे. एक खरबूजा भी रखा था, बहुत बिग वाला. राइट. और एक छोटे छोटे ना खटमल भी थे, खरगोश के आसपास थे वो भी. तो क्या हुआ, एक दिन इतने ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन में खरगोश आराम से बैठ के खाना खा रहा था और उससे मिलने फिर कौन आया? खुश आया और खत लेकर आया. अच्छा, कौन बेबी बताएगा कि वहां पे और कौन था खास है? आरम कुमार. आरम, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
खरगोश.
खरगोश को कौन देख रहा था चुपके से पीछे से खाना खाते हुए?
खच्चर.
खच्चर देख रहा था. वेरी गुड. नाउ आद्रिका विल टेल मी. आद्रिका, वहां पे और कौन सा फ्रूट था, बिग फ्रूट?
खरगोश क्या खा रहा था?
खरगोश या
खरबूजा. वेरी गुड.
ये
अनिका,
खरबूजा.
अनिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस, अनिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. टेल मी, खरगोश क्या कर रहा था वहां ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन में? ओके, लक्षिता, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. ओके, वेरी गुड अनिका. खरगोश वहां पे क्या कर रहा था?
खाना खा रहा था.
खाना खा रहा था. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट यागवी. यागवी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यागवी, खत कौन लेकर आया? खत कौन लेकर आया खरगोश के लिए?
खुश.
खुश. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नाउ म्यूट शिवाय शर्मा. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ गार्डन में और क्या क्या था? गार्डन में खरगोश, खच्चर, खुश, खत, खाना और खासे खरबूजा. नाउ टेक आउट योर हिंदी नोटबुक. Yes, now take out your Hindi notebook. Today we are writing new Vyanjan, Vyanjan Kha. Yes, Kha is very easy. And you know that how to write Ra, and similar to Kha is Ra. Make it a Ra like this, and one standing line and one close curve like a Va. And from tail you need to touch. It will become Kha. And sleeping line on the top. I am repeating again. Make it a ra and va and join from the tail and tummy. Ka. Right? Yes. Kha khargosh, kha kharbuja, kha khat. खा खटमल। और क्या होता है खा से? खा खाना, खा खरगोश, खा खरबूजा, खा खाना। खा Yes, in your Hindi notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side and write like this: kha khargosh, kha kharbuja. So many things start from these when. Right? Write it.
I full group, right? It needs to write the full page. जो भी मैम करा रहे हैं उसका full page आपने finish करना है. Then you need to send that in your all over group, right? Yagavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you need to write the full page and then you need to send it in all over group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good girl.
Catch it on, ma'am.
Yes, anybody who has done first two lines, they can show.
चलो
My page,
Yes.
my 2 lines is
I have completed the first two lines.
complete.
I have completed my first 2 lines. Okay?
I have
Very good.
the first 2 lines.
Very good, Advika.
Completed.
Very good, Dharya. Very good, Lakshita. Very good. Now what we have done today, we have done the opposites. We have done W, X, Y, and Z in series. Then we have done a new Vyanjan Kha, right? Good. Now please leave your notebooks. Please keep your notebooks aside. It's time for the goodbye song. Please complete the page after the class, right?
time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye.